Hello, welcome to Super Easy Physics and Mathematics. Today we're going to be looking at lesson 2 of exploring isosceles triangle. We did the first lesson, so this is the second lesson if you're in this video. So I will encourage you to just go through the first video so that you have a better understanding, because we're going to be, each lesson will be building on the previous. So let's go into this, the question we have on the board. In this case, this lesson 2, we are going to look at where you are given the base angle of the isosceles angle. So now in this question, we are given the base angle in red as 70 degrees. So we expect you to find the second angle here, x, and then this vertical angle at the top. So how do you get that? So let's label this triangle. So call it A, B, and C. So we cannot say, if we want to say in geometry, that angle ACB equals to 70 degrees. This is given. Okay? Then we cannot say angle X equals to 70 degrees because it's also base angle. So what is the reason? Base angle are equal. Base angle are equal. So we now know this and this. So here is 70, here is 70. So we want to find this. So how do you get y? So we cannot say x plus 70 plus y equals to 180 degrees. This is sum of angles in a triangle. So we have that. Then next, what we are going to do, let's substitute this s because we already know. So we have 70 plus 70 plus y equals to 180 degrees. So we have 140 plus y equals to 180 degrees. So what is y? Simple. You discover from here, your y is equal to 180 degrees, take away 140 degrees. So y is equal to 40 degrees. Therefore, x equals to 70 degrees and y equals to 40 degrees. Solve. So the next thing I'm going to do is the comment section. So I'm going to give you one question for you to solve for me in the comment section. And I know you can do it. So let's see, keep commenting. So once you get the answer, just solve it. Okay? Now let's go to your exercise. All right, haven't gone through the explanation. So you have this question for you for the comments exercise. I want you to find the value of n and m. Thank you for going through this lesson with me. So I want you to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you. And then we'll go to the third lesson.